So this video is to help anybody that's been hearing a kind of whining noise coming from their BMW E90 engine. This is an N52, so it's a straight 6. Sometimes you'll hear what sounds like a when you rev the engine or just when it's idling. I had the same problem. I figured out that the noise was actually coming from the AC compressor down there. I don't think you can really see it. It's right there basically. And I was getting some noise. I couldn't figure out what it was. I changed the tensioner pulley. I changed the idler pulley, and that didn't make the noise go away. So I was kind of stuck as to wondering what the noise was. Listened closer, and I found the noise was coming down from this area. This area is where you're going to find the AC compressor. That AC compressor has a pulley, and what will happen is that pulley, the bearing inside of it will get shot. And when that bearing goes, you'll get a kind of noise that sounds like a whine that you might hear from an alternator or from when your car has low power steering fluid. So to verify this, what I did is I put a 43.6 inch belt. I'll show you what kind. Is using this kind of belt, so it's just a 6 lip 43.6 inch belt. That's what this 436 on the box means. Normally the belt is, I think, something about 72.8 inches, and here's the actual full belt. So that's what I replaced it with. I took a 43.6 and swapped it with the 78.5 that was already in it. Now you don't hear a whine anymore. And like I said, the whine was coming from there. So I know a lot of people will post on the forums or on the internet saying change your belt tensioner pulley or your idler pulley, and that wasn't the fix for me. In this case, it was bypassing the AC compressor. So when I rev it now, you'll hear just a healthy revving sound. Obviously, I'm gonna try and fix the bearing by taking the pulley off, opening it up and putting in a 35 by 52 by 12 bearing in there. That should save me some money over replacing the pulley itself or getting a brand new AC compressor, which is going to cost a lot more money. I hope this is a good fix for somebody out there who's wondering why they're getting that whining noise coming from their engine that goes with the RPMs. It sounds like this was the fix for me. So what you want to get is you want to get a 43.6 inch belt. You can bypass the AC compressor to verify if that's the noise for you. Your car can still keep running, and then there you go. You can swap that out later eventually once you finally get a chance to either replace the AC compressor unit entirely or replace the pulley, which I think goes for about 140 bucks. The bearing goes for anywhere from $10 to $20, and that'll save you a lot of money over going to the dealership and getting your AC compressor fully replaced. Hope that helps, and enjoy your BMW, guys.